Fergus is a renowned psychologist with strong beliefs about how to change the face of mental health care. He wants to change the world, but he is not without his own flaws. After an accidental meeting with Sarah, the daughter of a Scottish minister, his vulnerability is put to the test. Sarah, locked into a stifling, verbally abusive marriage, struggles to retain her personality in the face of her destructive relationship, turning to her faith to help her transcend. As their relationships unfold, they face issues of suicide and attempted murder while crossing paths with others who help their causes. Fergus's beliefs are sustained by Billy, an alcoholic whose suffering confirms that a different approach to mental health will bring a new hope into people's lives. Fergus's psychological ideas start to gain ground, ensuring that if people are made aware, there really is a clear, bright sky out there offering the freedom to fly.